I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, which looks at two cover stories. 1. Ground reports from 5 states going to polls through 3 vectors of identity, gender, and health. And will the outcome decide which way the wind will blow in the 2024 general elections? Second cover story continues to be on Palestine, titled From the River to the Sea. Polls Apart by Praveen Rai, a political analyst at the Center for the Study of Developing Societies. The labeling of the ongoing polls in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana, and Mizoram as a semi-final match between the BJP and the Congress seems to be an overstatement, as the elections verdict in 2018 in these states did not have a linear impact on the Lok Sabha elections in 2019. In the 2013 assembly elections, the Congress lost 4 of the 5 states and it recorded its worst defeat in the national elections in 2014. On the contrary, in 2018, it won 3 of the 5 provincial polls, raising hopes for a big comeback, but it once again received a huge drubbing at the hands of the Saffron Party in the 2019 elections. Hence, the nomenclating of elections in the 5 states as a semi-final competition between the 2 main national parties is full of naivety, as state and national hustings are tangentially different in the size of the electorate, political issues, local nuances, and interactive modes between politics and citizens. Assembly elections are political party contests, localized referendums on incumbency and governance variables like law and order, social justice initiatives, and provincial programs for targeted beneficiaries. On the other hand, the fundamentals of national elections changed with the advent of the BJP in 2014, as it became presidential in nature and mandated the citizens' ratification of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's charismatic politics. His performance received high ratings from the electorate on political and socio-cultural dynamics like muscular nationalism, fast-paced economic empowerment, and revival of Hinduism, which superseded the BJP's party affiliation and electoral competitiveness. As a result, the last 2 general elections turned into personalized contests between Modi versus who. And in the absence of a credible opposition face, he triumphed with overwhelming votes from carefully patronized welfare scheme beneficiaries. The impact of 5 state elections on Indian politics is largely hyped by the media, but its political cruciality in the 5-year Indian electoral cycle is more than other states and remains valid. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.